Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I want to introduce you to Amantee's Panorama Slim series. So the Panorama series comes in many options now. There is the slim, the deep, the extra slim, and the extra tall. So today we're going to talk about really the original Panorama series, and that's the slim. So slim is meant to go into about a 2x8 build out. The overall depth of the unit itself is around 6 3/4, so it needs a little more than that to get fully flush into the wall. This is a truly built-in unit, so the 12-inch window height that you see here is really just a portion of the entire firebox. So there is firebox behind the wall up here and firebox behind the wall here. So there's much more behind the wall than the 12-inch window that we're seeing on the front. Like the rest of the Panorama series, the glass on the Panorama Slim is tilted back so that they can put the heat vent in this area here. So you truly get a vent-free look to the front. Very clean, no visible heat vents, no visible buttons. Everything is tucked up here, and they've accomplished that by tilting the glass back away from the bottom towards the top. It's on an angle, so they can fit all of those things we don't necessarily want to see up into this top area. So the heat, when it's on, will wash down over the window and come out into the room. The standard media in these units is the ice crystal package that you see in ours. So you get the clear crystals and then some diamond shaped pieces. Some of those diamond shapes are blue, and then you have the bigger ice chunks that you see in there. The flame is what Amantii calls their fire and ice flame, so it's one of their original flame series. I think of it a little bit like the Northern Lights, so in that it covers the entire back of the screen as the Northern Lights would sort of fill the sky. So that's the flame effect that you're seeing here. When you have that flame on yellow, as I have it here, it will look quite natural. Like any flame from Amantii, these will change color. So I have yellow, orange, and blue, and as I cycle through those and they combine together, we get the pinks and the purples and the magentas that some people like to see, especially in the off season when we don't necessarily want to see a hot fire. We want to play with the colors a little bit, and we can do that with this. And I'll step back in a minute and show you what that looks like. I've got a frameless installation here. So this unit comes with an optional 2-inch frame that can be removed. So depending on the wall materials that I'm going to put around this unit, I may or may not want that frame on. But if my wall materials are thin enough to bump up against the flange that runs all around this window, I can have a frameless effect. And that's what we've done on ours. This is really the only linear fireplace at the moment that I can truly get a frameless look. And the frame is optional on this unit. Sometimes when you see this 2-inch frame on other units, you might think it can be removed, as this one can be. It doesn't always apply. So in this case, the Panorama series frames are removable. So if I have a thicker material and there's just no way it's going to look good against this little 3-inch flange around the window, I would leave the frame on, and the thicker material would bump up against that frame, which is a little bit thicker and stands away from the wall a little bit, so that a thicker 3/4-inch material could bump up against it and make the whole thing feel flush. So it really depends on your installation. Obviously, because this is a truly built-in unit, you do require a little more planning to get your wall ready, get the framing ready, put this into place, test it. It's a direct wire unit. It does come with a plug, but we really see that as a convenience. It's certainly nice to have the plug for testing purposes before it's fully installed, but that plug needs to come off if you're not going to have access to it inside the wall, which is usually the case with this installation. So just keep that in mind. Just because there's a plug on it when you take it out of the box doesn't mean you get to keep the plug on there permanently. It's a convenience thing. It's meant to be removed in most situations. This is also indoor outdoor. So all of the Panorama series from Amantii and many of their other series as well, but the Panorama series is definitely an indoor outdoor. So that means they've had it tested and certified for indoor installations and outdoor installations. And part of the reason they can do that is, I think, this ability to tuck all of these heat vents and controls and things up in the top here. There are some limitations on outdoor installation in that if there's a cover available for these units, you are meant to buy that cover to protect it in the times that you're not using it. And also sometimes there's a requirement for an overhang to sort of keep the water from coming directly onto it. But if dust and things are blowing around outdoors and so forth, this is designed to be outdoor rated. It is tested for that. It can be used outdoors. But obviously you have to use a little common sense too and think about, you know, if I'm not using it, how am I going to protect it? Because there's certainly, in our part of the world anyway, there's certainly lots of months where we can't use this at all. But isn't it nice to have that heat source out on a patio or in a gazebo or something like that when the weather turns a little cooler in the spring and the fall? So keep it in mind, the Panorama series, the entire series from Amantii, is indoor-outdoor rated. So it has been tested to be used in both. And right now in electric, that's pretty unique. So it's a nice feature. I'm going to step back and just show you some of the colors that are available. So with this unit, the flames change color, as I've already mentioned. As the flames change color, the media tray changes color, and there isn't an additional set of lights as there are on some of the deeper units. So the flames dictate the color of the overall unit, so the flame as well as the ember bed. So let me just show you some of the options and let you see how those combine. So you can see there's quite a range of effects that you can get there with the yellow, orange, blue. It seems like a simple combination, but there's lots you can do with just those three colors. So again, this is the Amantii Panorama Slim series. You can find it at stylishfireplaces.ca under Amantii Panorama Slim, so BI 40, 50, 60, 72-Slim. You could also find it as you shop by style on our website, stylishfireplaces.ca. This would be under in-wall linear fireplaces.